I bought the top 5 viral travel gadgets for 2026 and put them through real-world stress testing so you don't waste your cash. Dealing with dead batteries, overweight bag fees, and cramped flights can ruin a trip fast. I packed these into my carry-on for a month of travel to find out what's actually worth buying. Product number 1. Travel Inspira Digital Luggage Scale. When I held the Travel Inspira luggage scale, the rubberized handle felt comfortable and solid in my grip, not like a flimsy plastic piece that would snap under heavy pressure. It's compact enough to toss into any small pocket without taking up valuable luggage space. Testing it out before heading to the airport, I hooked the heavy nylon strap around my overpacked suitcase handle and lifted. The backlit LCD display locked onto the exact weight within seconds, making it super easy to read even in dim hotel lighting. My favorite part was the built-in auto-off feature, which saved the battery when I forgot to switch it off during a rush checkout. The data lock hold meant I didn't have to keep staring down while lifting 48 pounds. If you tend to overpack and want to avoid brutal surprise fees at the airline check-in counter, this little scale is a total lifesaver. Product number 2. Paralogix Universal Airplane Phone Mount. Unboxing the Paralogix phone mount, the heavy-duty spring clamp and sturdy joints felt surprisingly rigid and well-engineered in my hand. It folds down completely flat into a pocket-sized package that easily slides into a jacket or carry-on. Clamping it onto an airplane tray table in flight, the rubberized jaws gripped tightly without slipping off during unexpected turbulence. The dual 360-degree rotating heads allowed me to position my phone at the exact eye level I wanted, both vertically and horizontally. My favorite part was clamping it to my rolling suitcase handle while waiting at the gate, letting me watch videos hands-free without craning my neck down. It fits everything from small smartphones to massive pro models without straining the grip arm. If you stream movies on long flights or hate neck pain from holding your phone, this versatile mount is worth every single penny. Product number 3. Anker Nano Universal Travel Adapter. The smooth casing and retracting plug pins gave off a clean, exceptionally compact feel in my palm. It feels dense and well-constructed, taking up about half the space of typical bulky international plugs. Testing this across multiple hotel rooms, the sliding side levers allowed me to pop out US, UK, EU, and AU plugs seamlessly. It features 4 USB ports alongside a standard outlet, allowing me to fast charge 5 devices at once without bringing extra wall blocks. My favorite part was the dedicated 20-watt USB-C port, which bumped my dead phone up to 50% in under half an hour. The tight 2-pin connection kept it flush against loose hotel outlets without sagging out. If you travel internationally and want to stop carrying a chaotic bag of charger bricks, this compact all-in-one adapter is an absolute winner. Product number 4. Enton Power Ultra Flat Plug Power Strip. When I picked up the Enton Power Flat Extension Cord, the flexible braided cable and razor-thin wall plug immediately felt durable and built for tight spaces. The plug head is absurdly thin, sitting almost flush against any wall surface. In my hotel testing, I slid the flat plug behind a heavy nightstand without pushing the furniture out from the wall. The 5-foot cord easily reached my bedside table, giving me 3 AC outlets plus 4 USB charging ports right where I needed them. My favorite part was the non-surge design, which makes it fully cruise ship compliant so security won't confiscate it at port boarding. Charging my laptop, phone, camera, and tablet overnight off one single wall socket was smooth and hassle-free. If you stay in older hotels or frequent cruise ships with limited wall outlets, this ultra-slim power strip is a total must-have. Product number 5. Bedalite 2-in-1 Airplane Travel Blanket and Pillow Set. Unpacking the Bedalite travel blanket set, the plush jacquard fleece felt unbelievably soft and cozy, not like those rough, thin blankets airlines hand out. Packed inside its plush zipper pouch, it doubles as a comfortable lumbar cushion or head pillow. During a chilly 6-hour red-eye flight, Unfolding the large blanket gave me full coverage from my neck down to my feet without feeling heavy or suffocating. My favorite part was the built-in luggage sleeve and backpack clip on the carrying case, which let me slide it right onto my rolling bag handle without taking up precious carry-on room. It washed easily afterward without shrinking or losing its plush texture. If you freeze on airplanes or want a cozy pillow and blanket combo that doesn't waste bag space, this ultra-soft set is a complete home run. That wraps up my top travel gadget picks for 2026. Check out the links down in the description below to grab live pricing and current discounts on all 5 products. Drop a comment letting me know which gadget you're packing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.